it's Anya. Welcome to my channel. I'm back with another DIY nail video. I was at my local Target and I saw this really cool Kiss French acrylic sculpture kit. It was only $10. Now where I'm at, it's about $45 for a fresh full set of acrylic, so I thought this was a really good deal, especially if it works out well. First thing I did was open the package, and I expected that to be difficult, but it literally just popped open. This is what the kit looks like when you open it up. You get 40 tips in total, 20 white for like a French tip, 20 natural so that you can do a different color, whatever color you want. Then you have some acrylic powder. This was actually the hardest thing to get out of the pack. A brush that you're going to be using as an applicator. A wooden manicure stick. A small bottle of maximum speed nail glue by Kiss. It says that this dries in 5 seconds. A bottle of acrylic liquid to activate the acrylic powder. A dual side nail file. One side, the pink side, is actually a buffer. Last but certainly not least, we have the instructions. To do this, I literally just read through the instructions. The instructions were very clear, very easy to follow, and very beginner friendly, which I appreciated. First thing I did was put a towel down to protect the surface that I was working on. You should definitely make sure you do this. Then I just went ahead and cleaned my nails with some acetone. Next, I went ahead and filed down my natural nails. I pushed back my cuticles using the manicure stick. This is sped up, but you definitely want to take your time because it low-key hurts if you do it too hard too fast. Next, using the pink side of the buffer, I went ahead, of the filer I meant. I went ahead and buffed out my nails. Going back in with my acetone to clean up all the dust and residue from filing, buffing, all that good stuff. I decided to go with the natural nail tips, so I'm just gonna dump those out and move the white tips out of the way. Now I'm gonna go through the natural nail tips and individually select which size is right for each one of my fingers. Match them up for my right hand as well and put the excess away. Using the Kiss glue, I applied about a drop and kind of spread it around the base of the tip and then put that on my nail, held for 5 seconds, and I made sure that I held down the sides as well. This will be what it looks like when you're done. Using scissors, I cut the nails down to the length that I wanted them, and then to kind of save me some time on shaping, I cut the sides off, one side first, and then I go back and do all the other sides to give it a kind of coffin shape. Using the nail file, I smoothed out the cuts that I made and continued to shape them. This is the part that took the longest. I would say I spent about a solid 20 minutes just trying to get these the right shape that I wanted. And to be totally honest, in the end I wasn't 100% satisfied with how they were shaped, but it came pretty close to what I was looking for. And these are the final results after shaping. Now it's time to go ahead and get everything set up. I am actually only doing one hand for the video, and then when I finish recording I finish my other hand. But I'm glad that I opened this stuff while I still had one hand with short nails, because it was actually pretty difficult to get that powder free. As y'all know, I do all my DIYs for the first time on camera, so I'm not gonna lie, my first foray into this was not good. It was clumpy, bumpy, and I didn't know what I was doing. I used way too much and just was going, it was just not cute. But I did learn a lot from this very first nail. The key to it is to take small bits at a time and kind of apply it almost like a nail polish. Make sure you get nice thin layers and put the powder in deliberate spaces, not just clump it on. And as I said, I learned a lot from the first nail, so this time I took my time. I got small bits of powder and yeah, just like nail polish, just glide it on carefully, gently, a little bit at a time. Yes, look how much nicer that looks. Nice and smooth, pretty arch. You gotta learn and do better. These are all the nails when I finished putting the acrylic on. Other than the thumb, it went pretty smooth. I'm a fast learner, so I didn't make the same mistakes. Once the acrylic has dried, you want to take the nail file and go ahead and go over top of them, smoothing any lumps out and making sure it's all even across the surface. Using the pink side of the file, I buffed the nails out just for added smoothness, reensuring that the surface level was all the same and baby smooth. Using water on a cotton ball, I cleared all the dust and debris off my nails. And now it's time to paint. This really pretty like baby pink sparkle nail polish. I got this from Target as well. I love the way that it looks. I know a lot of people don't like to use sparkle polish because they're really clear, but I love the translucent effect of them, and I love the sparkle, and I love the bit of pink. It's perfect for me. So yeah, just pick any color that you want, go ahead and paint, and you're ready to go. That's it. That simple. Really all you need is just the time and patience to do it. Other than that, it's everything you need. Full set, $10. Can't beat it. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, leave me a comment, and follow me on Instagram at Anya Havita.